Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Today's project is family concept project. So what does it mean? It means family can play here. Your kids, your family can come here and enjoy with those green spaces, guys. I am inside a 3-bedroom apartment, 177 square meter, located in Beylikduzu municipality, in one of the really perfect project suitable for family. When we say suitable for family, it means we have all the services around the project. We have the facilities, we have green spaces, we have big size apartments, because families usually they prefer big size apartments. Let us see this amazing living room, which has a beautiful atmosphere. Imagine cozy movie nights and the whole family, guys, is gathering here. Well guys, if you have been looking for a big size apartment suitable for the citizenship, let us say suitable for the big size family, so this one is suitable for you, and especially it's inside a community which is family concept one. To get more information about this one, get in touch with me and I'm gonna provide you with the full information about this property and our next opportunities. My name is Mustafa, a real estate agency from Istanbul, Turkey, with the more than 7 years experience, guys. Till next time, keep safe. Thanks so much for watching.